That's so awkward. This doesn't even make any sense anymore. I don't know how to say this intro anymore. It's so awkward. Well. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 6 of, was that 6 or 7? 6. This is the number 6 of September 2019 box week. And today, if you are watching this video, if you're a regular here, you already know what's going on. But if you're brand new here, this is our face mask and chill unboxing video of box week. Also, I don't know where to go from here. Okay, how about I'll just tell you, if you like this video, hit subscribe or thumbs up or comment. And then basically, you're catching us on the 6th day in a row of videos on my channel. I don't know how to say this intro anymore. It's so awkward. Well, we're just gonna move on. We're just gonna move on. Also, so this is the video where we ask you to face mask and chill. It's our once a month little like hangout, chill out, do some self-love for our skin. I open up my face mask subscription box and I ask you to stop and put a mask on with me. So today I'm going to be putting this mask into the stockpile giveaway, which is the Cosma Tea Black Tea Nourishing Mask. I'm putting that into our stockpile giveaway. I'm going to put this over here. I think we're going to do this next month. We're going to give away that box next month because it's getting really, really full. And then I'm actually going to be doing a Leaders USA Lobotica True Nature Pore Clearing Mask. It's green tea. So Leaders actually sent me some of their newer masks to try, and this is one of them. Oh my god. I was like, what? Me? It was very exciting. So I'm going to be trying this one in the video tonight. I'm going to be putting, I was just going to be putting my hair back. That's so awkward. This doesn't even make any sense anymore. I don't even know. So why don't I tell you a little bit about the box we're opening while I'm putting my hair up and putting my face mask on. So we're opening Facetory. Facetory is a monthly face mask subscription box, and they have recently come out with like a whole bunch of different subscription options, but I get their 7 Luxe luxury face mask subscription box every month. It ends up being about $20 with shipping and handling. My mom also gets it. She loves it. And then they also have like a basic Korean Beauty sheet mask box. But basically it's one of my favorite subscriptions. It's really, really cool. They have a lot of different amazing masks, and it's one of the things that helped me get really good at knowing like good face masks from like not great face masks was actually getting the subscription box. So if you watch the video today and you're like, I'd like to try that box for myself, you can click on my referral code in the description box below and check it out. So now I'm gonna put my mask on. I'm excited. Like I said, they sent me all these masks and I was like, this is a very exciting moment for me in my life. Hold on, let me get this on here. Ooh, I can't get it on. Give me a second. Oh, it's like really sticking to itself. Does not want to go on my face. Too bad. I'm putting you on, mask. You're going on my face. That sounds so awkward. I don't care though, because I'm excited. I love face masks. You guys know me, like, face masks are like the thing I do all the time. Like I don't know if there will ever be enough face masks in the world for me to like feel like I've tried enough. I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know why I'm so obsessed with face masks. I just am. Like, I can't get enough of them. Okay, so my mask is on. And my hands are soaking wet because there's a lot of liquid on these. And I think I've told you guys before, Leaders is one of my favorite like face mask brands, like legitimate, one of my favorite face mask brands. So like it was so cool that they sent me masks to try out because I love them. I use them all the time and I think that their products are amazing and really well done. So it was pretty cool. So this is the September Facetory box. This is what the outside looks like. It's really cute. Also, my box is like bursting at the seams. Like it's literally like popping open. So on the top, it says Falling For You. It's got this here. And then it's got, oh, they changed the way they do the card. So it's got the card here with all the masks on it inside. That's interesting. They changed it. So on the very top, we have a Pure Hearts Propolis Sleeping Pack Nourishing Mask. Okay, so it looks like they had sent an email saying they were going to be putting like some bonus stuff in there. It looks like this might be one of the items. So Pure Hearts by Nature Propolis Sleeping Pack. I don't actually see that on this sheet at all. And then they have Hand Para Gloves. Green Myrtle by 23 years old. Oh my god, I love 23 years old. Hand Therapy Ampui. It looks like it's some kind of special hand cream by 23 years old. Oh, we're going to open this and see. I love 23 years old too. They're an amazing, amazing brand. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh my gosh, it's like a hand cream. Oh, we're gonna try this out real quick. We are trying this out. This looks really, really cool. This looks so legit. Oh my god. This is amazing. Oh, this is crazy. It's like clear. Oh my gosh. So it's like literally like a clear... Oh, this feels good. Oh, and it smells good. Holy crap. This is amazing. Oh my god. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm like already pumped. I'm already like, well, done. I'm happy. I haven't gotten to the actual mask yet. This is amazing. Then the masks are wrapped up in here. This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. So the very first mask we have on the top is Facetory Perfectly You Steaming Hair Mask for shiny and healthy hair. So Facetory has a steaming hair mask. Oh snap, I might actually try this. It's like hair day. So a salon grade hair treatment at home without the mess. This hair mask is the perfect solution for dry, brittle hair. This mask deeply moisturizes our dry and frizzy hair, restored the shine and health back to our lovely locks, and protected them against future breakage. Use when you feel like you want to be a shampoo model. Ooh, so that is really cool. So Facetory is now going into like the hair mask brand. They were for a really long time doing like the actual like starting their own face mask, and now they have hair masks. Alright, the next thing that we have is the Beautiful Factor Pink Peel Bubble Mask. And give your face a calming bubble bath with this pink bubble mask. It contains PHA to cleanse impurities without stripping your moisture barrier. When to use when you want to wake up to beautiful glowing skin. Okay, the next thing we have is Revitalizing Sheet Mask. It looks like this is a tomato mask. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about tomato. I don't know if I'm gonna like the smell of tomato. I just dropped something, hold on. Alrighty, and it looks like this is Get Ready. This amazing tomato superfood mask will nourish and brighten your complexion. One to use when your skin is feeling down and under the weather to help strengthen or rebuild your skin. Huh, interesting. Okay. Next we have, ooh, Better Skin Volcanic Ash Coated Natural Seal Mask. You guys, so last month we got one of these masks from Better Skin. I think it was last month. Maybe it was, no, it's a couple months ago actually. I finally did the mask of the day and it was like so bomb. My skin was just like very, very thankful. A brightening, moisturizing, and tightening sheet mask that provide your skin with a youthful, healthy glow. Use when you want clean, bright, and tight skin. Alright. The next thing that we have is Leaders USA 5 Minutes for Makeup Primer Mask from Good, and it's Goodbye AC. So this is the best primer mask that will help soothe skin problems before applying makeup. One to use anytime before makeup or when your skin is feeling inflamed. So it's a really good mask for like, it's an sounds like an anti-inflammatory mask that's really good to use obviously before makeup. Then we have the Ishia Miracle Marine Collagen Magic Gel Corset Mask. This looks wild. This looks absolutely wild. This hydrogel mask is super comfortable, infused with essence. Gives your skin love it deserves when it feels dehydrated or dry. Whenever you feel like your complexion needs a bit of oomph. And then finally we have the Coscotti Ganoderma Stem Real Mask. Ooh, this is sexy. Look at this packaging. Like, let's just take a second and enjoy this packaging. I'm a big packaging person, especially when it comes to face masks, so I'm pretty excited. This mask will enhance skin elasticity and deep cleanse the skin from fine dust particles. Use when you feel your skin needs to be strengthened. And then they actually had information on the back here for the 2 extra masks. So on the Pure Heal, I kept saying Pure Hearts, it's Pure Heals, Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. This sleeping mask hydrates and locks in all the moisture and nutrients from your other skincare products. Apply as a last step of your nighttime skincare regimen. Okay, and reach for this holy grail before bed and you'll wake up to smooth, hydrated, and clear skin. And then the hand power gloves and pooey. So either you got green myrtle or you got love peony. I got the green myrtle. They said it's a really good way to like get rid of hangnails and unruly cuticles. This cuticle and hand ampouille will keep your hands velvety smooth. We loved using this at night before bed and even throughout the day when our hands or fingers felt extra dry. This is especially great for those of you who like to do your nails. Huh. And then use whenever you need a quick nail care session. Okay, this is really, really cool. So let's quickly recap the box. I'm really, really impressed with this box. Like, I'm actually kind of just blown away at how awesome this month's box is. So to recap, we got the Facetory Perfectly You Steaming Hair Mask. I'm actually really excited to try that. We got the Beautiful Factor Pink Peel Bubble Mask right there. We got the Revitalizing Sheet Mask Tomato right there. The Better Skin Volcanic Ash Coated Natural Seal Mask. We got the Leaders Primer Mask, the AC Control, the Ishia Miracle Marine Collagen Magic Gel Corset Mask. and the Coscodi Ganoderma Stem Real Mask. And then we got the Pure Heal Sleeping Mask and the, where is it? It fell out of there. The Hand Para gloves from 23 years old. Overall, I think this box is amazing. They usually don't have extra bonus things in here like this, so I feel like it's really cool that they added all that in there. Overall, I think it's definitely worth the money. This, like I said, one of the best subscriptions I get. Is one of my favorites. I think there's only been maybe like 1 month ever where I wasn't like completely wowed by this box, but I am super, super wowed tonight. Alright, so I think it's time I can take off my mask and see what's going on with my skin underneath all this. Look at me. Look at my face. Look how hydrated I look after that mask. That's why I love Leaders USA, and we actually got one of their face masks in the box. Told you, they were the bomb. So, that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody in our Ready Camino crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. This coupon on here. I've told you guys, this is one of the worst coupons ever. Like, I love Target, but for some reason, this coupon, like, it never works. Like, and you guys even commented, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you go there and you'll get like $15